Yeah, guys. So let's get started to work on C Sharp basics. The last class we discussed structure of C Sharp program. So now we are just recap, on student mark list, how to accept roll number, name, and marks in three subjects from student to calculate total and average of a student. So this is what we are expecting actually. We are asking for roll number, name, and marks in three subjects. We need to calculate total and average of a student. Okay? Yeah. So let's get started, guys. How to do this? So let me open Visual Studio. So here I'm creating a new project using console application, and we are trying to write the code. Create a new project. So we are selecting console application C Sharp, and we are selecting console app.NET framework, and next, and here I'm selecting demo student marks list. Okay, that is the name I've given. Click on create. So now we are trying to write the code, guys. A small thing I wanted to tell you, you're already done it, and I want to explain you something called typecasting now. Okay, typecasting already we have been doing it, right? Using console dot convert dot to in 32 like that, but still I wanted to explain something called one more way of typecasting. Yeah. So what are we doing here? Student marks list dim. So what are the variables required here? Integer roll number, which is in integer because we don't have any decimal points. So that I am taking as roll number as integer. Same way subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. Three subjects. Total is also without any, yeah, you can take TOT or total completely. It's your wish. And string name of the student, I am taking in string. And double average. Average will have decimal places, so that I am taking as double. So we have these three type of variables, guys. Integer type of variables, string type only one variable, and average double type variable is only one. Okay, variable declaration part is over. Now we need to accept uh, details from the student. Console.write is better. Instead of write line, enter student roll number, like that I'm asking, and I need to read it, right? How to read it? RNO is equal to convert dot to int 32 of console.readline. So we read it. We read roll number. After reading roll number, we need to ask for name of the student. How to read the name? Console.write. Enter student name. Like that I'm asking. And the write is always better, as we discussed in the last. And name I'm reading. Name is equal to console.readline. We need not do any typecasting. So why are we not doing typecasting here, guys? Why are we not doing typecasting for the name?
Is a string, sir.
Yeah, name is already in string format. Console.readline is also reading in a string format. That is why we need not do any typecasting. Okay.
Okay.
So let's ask for marks in three subjects. Enter marks in three subjects. At a time, I'm asking for three subjects. First subject I'm reading into S1. Convert dot to int 32 of console.readline. First subject. Same way, second subject I'm reading. Same way, third subject I'm reading. So all the three subjects are ready. So input part is done, guys. Now we need to do the variable declaration part is over. This is variables declaration, and this is input part where we are reading data from user, and we are calculating here calculation or processing or calculation logic. Okay, So what are you doing here? Total we need to calculate TOT is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3. All the three subjects I am adding total. Then average is equal to total by three subjects, right? I said three. Okay, three I am giving. And finally output. Average is calculated, total is calculated. Finally we are displaying all the details. Roll number, name of the student, marks in three subjects: subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, total, and average. So all are done, guys. Okay, but there is a small issue with the code. Let me try to do it now. Okay, let me run it and show you the output. It's perfectly good. Actually, it's not the best code, but it is good. So why it is not the best, let us check it out. Let's run it and see the output. Guys, any questions in the code? Is it fine? You understood the code? Whatever I wrote is clear? Please respond in the chat, or show your thumb if you are comfortable with the code that I'm showing. Yeah, okay. So the code is good, right? Now we are executing. Roll number I gave 1, name I'm giving as Ram, and marks I'm giving as something like 50, 60, 70. See the output, guys. Roll number 1, name Ram, marks in three subjects: subject 150, subject 2 60, 70, and total marks 180, average is 60, guys. Please observe this part. Total is 180, average is 60. So absolutely good. But again, I'm running the program, I'm giving same details, but here in the last I'm changing, guys. Instead of 70 marks, I'm giving 71 in subject 3. Then what is the output we are expecting? So total will be 181. What is the average, guys? What would be the average you are expecting? I'm giving same details. Ram, marks 50 in the first subject, 60 in the second subject, and 71 in the third subject. See, guys. So is the total is correct? Total is correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about average?
Yes, sir.
Average is
Point
correct or
కావాలి
incorrect?
point. 60 point అలా రావాలి సార్.
60 point something should be there, right? But it's not showing. So what to do? So we calculate normally, manually. You can see here. I'm using Calci. So 50 plus 60 plus 71. We got 181 divided by 3. So this is the actual average, 60.333, like that. But it is showing only 60 because there is no explicit typecasting in our program. That is the reason it is showing incorrect output. So what to do? So actually here total 181 divided by 3, we got the output called 60.333, and at the time of assigning here it is just assigning 60 only. It is not giving 0.333. What to do? We have to do explicit typecasting just by using double brackets here. This is said to be explicit typecasting. Let's run it and check it out now. Now let's run it. Roll number 1, name Ram I'm giving. Let's give marks again. Same thing, 60 and 71. You can see the output now. Now you are getting accurate output. 181 is correct, followed by average is also accurate, guys. But I want only 60.33, first two decimal places. What to do? Please tell me, guys, in the chat box. Please respond in the chat box. I want to display only 60.33, only two decimal places for average. What should I write it in my line number 41? Come on, guys, you mention it in the chat box. Type it in the chat box, guys. Done. Guys, I did not get any message. Okay, okay, okay. To string we can use round off. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So yeah, round off. I'm using round off here. Math dot round. I'm using math dot round and math dot round of avg comma 2. I'm saying, and now let's try to run it and test it. Okay. So that is the way we can learn and do it. Okay. Yeah, guys. So roll number 1, I'm giving same name, and marks I'm giving same thing, 50, 60 and 71. Now you can see the output in a perfect way. Okay, 60.33. So absolutely good. We got it. Yeah. Yeah, we can use double also, as you said, but instead of converting total into double, we are just using typecasting process. Okay. Yeah. Because decimal points, there are no decimal points for total, right? So that is the reason we should not we need not convert that into double. That's the way we can do it. Okay. Yeah. So let's move to another topic now. Let me copy paste this code in our notes. So I'm not showing employee payslip and all, guys, since you are already done it, and you have shown me pasting the code. Yeah. So let's continue with a topic called implicit and explicit typecasting, guys. Implicit, I mean typecasting is typecasting. What is typecasting, guys? Come on, guys. What is typecasting? Already I told.
Changing from string to integer.
Converting one data type to another is called as typecasting. Okay. There are two types of there are two types of typecasting. One is implicit, second one is explicit. Explicit. Implicit means which will be done automatically. It will be done automatically. We need not do it. And this we need to do it explicitly. We need to write some code explicitly. Just now I have written like brackets double or convert dot to double, convert dot to into. What is this? These are all typecasting functions, right? Yeah. So let's have a look at what is implicit typecasting, which is also called as automatic typecasting. Uh, and when do we use it? We'll discuss with the small examples. Let us see with the small. So what is implicit typecasting? it will be done automatically by the compiler, means C sharp compiler, when there is no risk of data loss. There is no data loss risk, then it will be done automatically. That is called as implicit typecast. Generally it happens while converting from smaller to larger. It happens while converting from small to big. Okay, small data type to large data type. Example, integer to double, integer to integer data type to double. If you are doing this, then this will happen. For example, let us take an integer variable. Let me open a new project, go to file and close solution, creating a new project. So demo typecasting. Okay, yeah, create. So implicit and explicit typecasting, like that. I have written a comment, guys, demo. So let's get started. Integer a equals to 10 or number is equal to 10. You can give anything, guys. Variable name can be anything. Number equal to 10, and we are taking a double, guys. Okay, double result is equal to, result is a variable name, and I'm saying is equal to num, which is happening from integer to double. So I'm storing integer value number into a double variable. Double is bigger type, right? So integer is smaller, integer occupy 4 bytes, double occupy 10 bytes. So that it's double is 8 bytes, I think so. Yeah, 8 or 10 bytes. So obviously integer is smaller and double is bigger, so it will be happening normally without any problem. Okay, there is no issue with this type of typecasting, guys, because small to big it is happening, so there is no problem. Let's try to print the result now. Let's try to print the console.write line. I'm printing num value is equal to plus num I'm giving. Of course you will get the same thing, and result also I'm printing. So let's run it and check it out. See the output, guys, both are 10 only. There is no loss of data, right? Of course, even if you say 10.0, 10 and 10.0 same, right? So that it is not displaying, it's perfectly valid and there is no issue with it. This is called as implicit typecasting. Let's try to do explicit typecasting now. This is implicit typecasting. Yeah. Coming to explicit typecasting, how to do it, which is also called as narrow conversion. Okay. So we are taking a big value. So what is explicit typecasting? Means, being a programmer, we need to use cast operator, that is a div brackets. Okay, so explicit typecasting, explicit typecasting, it should be done by the programmer or developer using cast operator. What is cast operator? Nothing but brackets. Brackets. We have to use these brackets. Okay, when do we use it? It will be used while converting a big data type to small data type. Reverse. So here there might be chances of losing database. There might be chances of losing data. That is what the problem with this example. You can say a big data type to small. You can say double to integer. Example, double to integer. Okay, yeah. So let us go back and do this example. Let us take a number double. Yeah, let's take pi, whatever pi is given here, 3.14. But I want to store this in an integer variable. Integer, my var I'm taking, my variable, my var is equal to pi. I'm saying pi. Let us say pi. Okay. First of all, when you are writing this double pi, 3.14, right? We have decimal places pi value. You can give any other value as average or something. We have seen the total example, right? Total is equal to 181 and we want to store that into a double variable. We have seen it, right? But this time you are taking a double value. That value I want to copy into my integer variable. Big value to small. So it is showing an error, guys. Try to understand this error message. Let me zoom it for you. See, guys. Look at this error message. I think I asked you to write down the error messages. What it is saying, guys? CS0266 cannot implicitly convert type double to integer. An explicit conversion exists. Are you missing a cast? Like that, it is giving an error message. So you are missing a cast operator brackets. Like that, it is asking you double to integer. I cannot do it. You have to do it like that. It is saying. So how to do it? You have to use a cast operator. Double. We have to convert into double. Okay. So sorry, we are converting into integer, right? Integer, that is what we need to write it, because here it is double type pi, but we are storing in an integer variable, right? So you have to use integer typecasting. Previous example we did double, right? So that in brackets I kept double. This time I am converting double to integer, right? So I'm using integer, but there is a problem in this, guys. The output may be the error is not there, but the output is you may lose the decimal places. So this is called explicit typecasting. We may lose decimal places. Okay, decimal part will be gone. Okay, so what to do? Let's check it out. Pi value I'm printing, and I'm printing my var value. Pi value is 3.14. That is absolutely good. But coming to integer, I'm converting pi, right? So it will remove the decimal places. You will get only 3 as the result, guys. You will get 3 here. You will get 3.14 here. That's the difference between implicit and explicit typecasting. So let's see the last output. Second part, you'll get only 3 in the last. See, guys, the end my var is equal to 3 because we have converted a double type variable into integer type, because double type will have decimal places whereas integer type doesn't have decimal places. It will omit one 3 point, I mean 1 4 is omitted, so you got only 3. This is the way the typecasting in in C sharp will happen. They'll ask you in interviews, so what is the typecasting, how many ways we can do it. Then you can say typecasting is a process of converting one data type to another. Is nothing but typecasting. There are two types of typecasting, implicit and explicit. Implicit will happen automatically, which is converting a small type to big data type. So there is no safety, I mean, issue with implicit typecasting. But when it comes to explicit typecasting, you may lose the data, as we have seen here. Decimal points are missing. So that is what we need to understand when you are casting from big data type to small data type using explicit typecasting. So is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 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 yeah. That's good. That's good. Okay. So that is the way to understand the concept of typecasting. So, so we have seen typecasting also. Yeah. Now let's get into something called operators. Operators in C sharp. Okay. What are the different types of operators we have in C sharp? Let's check it out, guys. So there are broadly C sharp operators in any language, guys. Broadly, all the operators in C sharp divided into two types. Two types. What are they? Binary operators and unary operators. What is binary? If we have two operands, operands will be there. That is called as binary operators. Only one operand is there. Only one operand. That is called as unary operator. For example, I want to do addition. Addition means you should have two, right? Minimum two should be there. So these are all comes under plus, addition, minus, subtraction, star, multiplication, division. These are all comes under what? Binary operators. Minimum two operands should be there. But coming to operands, unary operators, these will need only one, like plus plus, minus minus. These comes under unary operators. Only one operand is enough, like a plus plus, a value 10. Now if I say a plus plus, it will become 11. Just we are adding 1 to the existing value. Same way, a value 10, b value 10, I said b minus minus, it will become 9. So like that you can increase or decrease one value using unary operators. Okay. So binary operators and unary operators. These are the two broadly categorized into, in detailed. If you want to know the different types of operators, classification or types of operators. So let us talk about all these things. First one is arithmetical operators, guys, which contains plus, minus, star, slash, all these arithmetic related. Next one is logical operators, which will be having like and, or, not. This all comes under logical operators. Next, relational operators, like less than, greater than. Okay. These all like less than or equal to, greater than equal to, double equal to. Okay. So not equal to, this all comes under. Yeah, guys, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good, good. So relational operators means less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than equal to, double equal to, not equal to. These comes under relational operators. And there are something called conditional or ternary operators, guys. Conditional or ternary operators, which are nothing but question mark and colon. These two operators comes under ternary operators. And then arithmetic assignment operators. Arithmetic assignment means you will have both addition and arithmetic and assignment together. Plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, these all comes under arithmetic assignment operators. Then assignment operator, only one operator, that is equal to. Excuse me. Assignment operator is only one, is equal to. Arithmetic assignment means combination of arithmetic plus assignment is equal to together. Okay. And There are some other operators also, miscellaneous operators like colon is there, inheritance operator. Inheritance operator. Colon is called as inheritance operator. Yeah. Okay. So these are all different types of operators we have. Assignment operator only one is equal to, I'm giving here directly. Okay. Yeah. So dot other operators like dot operator is also there. Dot star, these are all miscellaneous operators. I'm not mentioning all of them right now. Yeah, these are most widely used operators, guys. So let's get started with arithmetical operators now. Arithmetical operators, I think we have been using them. Arithmetical operators like plus, minus. Let me keep it in a table so that you'll understand all these things clearly when you are reading it. Arithmetical operators. Okay, let me create a table. So plus operator and its purpose. Okay, operator plus is for addition. Okay, addition, we know this. And minus is for subtraction, and star is for multiplication, and slash is for division, where we will get a quotient. Percentile is also for it is also called as modulus operator, which is also called as you know remainder operator. To get the remainder, division only, but you'll get modulus, remainder, instead of quotient. Okay, I hope I need not explain plus minus star like this, but let me explain the difference between slash and percentile. Okay, with a small demo. Like I'm saying integer a equals to 10 and b is equal to 2, and integer c is equal to, I'm saying or let's say result 1 is equal to a slash b, and integer result 2 is equal to a mod b. Yeah, what is the output of result 1? Come on, guys. Result 1 value is how much? Guys, am I audible?
5, sir.
Yeah, 5. Very good. What is the value of result 2? Yeah, Mahesh, very good.
0, sir.
Yeah, Uma, good. 0. Because here we are calculating remainder. 2 5s are 10, right? Remainder 0. So that result 2 will be 0 and result 1 will be 5. 5. So slash is giving quotient and percentile is giving remainder. That is the way you can understand, you know, the difference between slash and a percentile, modulus operator and a, quotient operator slash division operator. Okay, let's see the same thing in Visual Studio. Let me create new project, close solution. So I'm selecting here, create new project, console app.NET framework, demo underscore arithmetic operators, so that I'm giving like this. So arithmetic operators demo. Okay, let us take a variable, as I said, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 2. Two variables are ready. Let us print first addition. Okay, like a plus b. Let's say, yeah, let's print directly here a plus b. So actually this is not the good approach to print a plus b, a minus b directly. Better to go for a variable. Take a variable int result1, res1 I'm giving guys, a plus b, that is addition, and I'm printing res1 result1. Next res2 is equal to a minus b subtraction, and I'm printing res2. Next res3 is equal to multiplication, I'm printing this res3. Then res4 result 4 equal to division a slash b, and I'm printing res4. Finally res5 result 5 is equal to a mod b, and I'm printing this. Let us try to understand this. So result 1, what we are expecting is 10 plus 2 12, and 10 minus 2 8 will be printed, 10 into 2 20 will be printed. But here is the important thing, that is 5 will be printed in result 4 and 0 will be result 5. Let's see the output now. So you can say, for understanding, here I'm printing message guys, a plus b is equal to, like that I'm giving guys, so that it is more clear to understand. Okay, and here a minus b is equal to, okay, plus I'm giving concatenation, so that it's more clear to see. A star b double quotes I'm giving, whatever I give in double quotes will be printed as it is, so that I'm giving like this. Here I'm saying a slash b is equal to, I'm giving like this, a mod b is equal to plus, yeah. So, and here ab values also I'm printing for better understanding. A value is this much and b value is this much, so that you can see the output more clearly. Okay, perfectly all right. Let's try to run it and test it. See the output guys. First we are printing ab values followed by the uh, arithmetic operators. How to apply different arithmetic operators like plus, minus and all. You can see here a value 10, b value 2, a plus b value 10 plus 2 12, a minus b value 10 minus 2 8, a into b value like 10 into 2 20, a slash b, that is 5, because 10 by 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. And a mod b, that is remainder, percentile is called as remainder operator or modulus operator. So 2 5s are 10, remainder 0, so that we got remainder 0. So in this way you can understand the program with the what you call arithmetic operators, how to use in session. So I think we have used successfully these operators in our previous sessions, previous examples. So let me paste this code also. Yeah. So any questions guys? Is it clear everybody? So if you have any questions, please respond in the chat box. If it is okay, show your thumb so that it's perfectly good. Yeah, good, good. Very nice, very nice. Next, yeah, thank you guys. Next, what we are talking about is next category of operators. We are done with arithmetical. Next one is logical operators. Logical operators. So logical operators, relational, conditional. These all require some, conditional. Anyhow, we can do it directly. Let me start with, something called arithmetic assignment, and there is something called unary operators also. We'll discuss it, and we will make a unary operators also. We are discussing here. So what is arithmetic assignment operators? Let us do that now. After that, because these require if statements in order to understand this. That is why I'm not telling you right now. If condition, if else, all these we'll discuss when you are talking about logical operators, logical relational. Right now we are talking about what do you call arithmetic assignment. Okay. Before that, let's try to understand assignment operator. So what is assignment operator, and is equal to assignment operator, so that you can understand arithmetic assignment also. So what is assignment operator? It will assign the value, it will assign the right side value to the left side, guys. That is the simple way to understand definition. Okay, right side value to the left side variable. Whatever variable you have in the left side, it will assign. Example, I said a is equal to 10. What is the meaning of a is equal to 10? The value 10 I'm assigning to a. So here I'm saying b is equal to a. What is the meaning of b is equal to a? Let's say integer here for better understanding. Come on, guys. What is the second line meaning? Assigning 10 into a. This is what the meaning of a equal to 10. So here what is the second line meaning? We are assigning a value into b. What is a value? 10 now. 10 we are assigning to b. That means a and b are same. So assigning a value into b. What is a value? Of course can be anything, guys. Right now a value we know, so that we can understand a value 10. We are assigning that 10 into b. So a b's are having same values. That is called as assignment operator. Okay, so that's the point here. Is equal to means we are assigning right side value to the left side. So what about double equal to? Of course I'm not showing you example program right now, but what is comparison operator? Because you will be getting questions sometimes. What is difference between single equal to and double equal to? That's the reason I'm explaining, guys. Okay, comparison operator, that is double equal to. Double equal to is called as comparison operator, is called comparison operator. So what it will do, it will compare the values of both left side and right side. Compare the values of two variables. Example, I'm saying a double equal to 10. What is the meaning of a double equals to 10? Two values or two variables, can be anything else, two values. So we are assigning the value of 10 is equal to, the value of a is equal to 10 or not. That is the meaning of a double equals to 10. So what is meant by a double equal to b? We are checking whether the value of b, a is equal to b or not. So that is the meaning here. Checking whether the value of a is equal to 10 or not. That is the way we are checking here. That is the meaning of this a double equals to 10. Same thing applies to here also, guys. Here we are checking whether the value of a is equal to b or not. That is the meaning of this. So this is how you can understand the difference between a equal to b and a double equal to b. So a equal to b means, what is a equal to b? We are assigning b value to a. A double equal to b means comparing whether a value is equal to b or not. Hope you understand now difference between a equal to b, a double equal to b. Is it clear, everybody? Yeah, guys. So this is very one of the important interview questions, guys. They might ask you, what, how do you differentiate equal to and double equals to? Or when do we use equal to and when do we use double equals to? Then you have to say this. When you are assigning any value, generally when you are assigning values, initialization, or when you are doing any calculations, we always use single equals to. But when you are comparing if condition, mostly this will be double equals to will be used inside the if, guys. Inside the if or any other comparison, of course, in console.writing without if condition also we can do it, but it's a boolean expression. Boolean means checking whether it is true or false, equal or not, we are checking, right? So that is our boolean expression. When we do, we use it. And last but not the least, as of for today is concerned, arithmetic assignment operator, which is easy actually. So that I'm trying to show you now. Arithmetic assignment operators. What are they? Plus equal to. So what is meant by plus equal to? You are doing addition and assignment together. Example, I want to, I have a value 10. I want to make a value as 12. 12 means what to do? I can say a is equal to a plus 2. This is mathematics style, guys. Or you can also say a plus equal to 2. This is C sharp style. A equal to a plus 2 means a value, I'm assigning a plus 2 value to a plus 2 value means 10 plus 2 12, I'm assigning to a. No sir, I want to make it short, this is lengthy, means a plus equal to 2. So what is the value of a here? A becomes 12 here. So a value will be 12 here. A value is 12 now because 2 I have added, right? So that it will become 12. Same way I am taking another variable called b equal to 10, or let's say 20. B value 20. I want to subtract 2 from this. Then b equal to b minus 2, or you can say b minus is equal to 2. This is said to be C sharp style where you are subtracting 2 from it. Mathematics style is b equal to b minus 2. Both are fine, guys, but this is most widely used in coding. Even in Python also people will use minus equal to plus equal to like this. Of course, we can use this. There is no harm in using b equal to b minus 2, a equal to a plus 2. Both are valid, but this is highly recommended. So this is what called as arithmetic assignment operators. Same way you can use star equal to, okay, slash is equal to, percentile equal to, all these you can use it, guys. So that is about arithmetic assignment operators. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. Yeah, so please try to use all these things in your program. You need to prepare. I will send you tasks maybe tomorrow morning, or you need to go to uh, Copilot or ChatGPT. Try to do some exercises on these operators. Okay, see you tomorrow, guys. Any questions, guys?